Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, am I audible?
Just a minute. Yes, so last class we were going with what? Functions, right? Okay, let's get started with the functions only. Just a minute. Yes, look at the question.
Just a minute.
If a is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So we started with the function, so we'll continue with the functions in this class as well. So yeah, we'll solve a couple of questions, and this of if set a is equal to this one and function is defined from a to b is a surjection. Is a surjection defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find r, find the value of b. How do you find out b? See, how do you find out b here? If from a to b we are finding, so a given, we need to find out b here. How do you find out? How do you find out f of x given? So first you have to do f of 2. What is f of 2? What is f of -1? F of 0, f of 1, f of 2. F of 2 is what? minus 2 or 4, minus 2 plus 1, 3. So here 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Here 1, 3,
1, no. 2.
7. Am I clear?
That's it. Yeah.
So what is f of, what is b here? Function is mapping from a to b, right? Function is mapping from a to b. With the help of a elements, I'm writing b. So b is equal to what? 1, 3, 7. Okay. So you can't repeat the elements. Sir, why you are not writing 2 times? Instead, you can't repeat the elements. Clear? So only one time you need to write. Okay. Only one time you need to write. Am I clear?
Yes.
Sir.
1, 3, 7. This is what your b value. Very simple. Tell me, guys. He has given. Next to find the inverse of this. Find the inverse of, and the inverse of the function f of x is equal to ax plus b divided by cx minus a, which is a bijection. Which is a bijection. Which is a bijection. Okay, find the inverse. We need to find out the inverse of this function. We need to find the inverse of this function. How do you find out? When it is a bijection.
F of x y is equals to y.
Sorry, what you're saying? See, f of x can be written as what? Y, right? Y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x ax plus b by cx minus a. So y into cx minus a is equal to ax plus
X
b.
plus b.
So if you simplify this, so c times of xy minus a times
X
of y is equal to ax
x
plus
y plus b
b,
y.
right? So here what we need here x. If I take x common, okay, cxy minus ax and ay plus b. Can I write? I'm shifting ax to the left hand side. So x common. If I take x common, what do we get?
Cy minus
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 a,
a. Yes.
which is x is equal to
Into
ay
ay minus b.
ay plus b. So x is equal to ay plus b divided by cy minus a. This is my x. Clear? I have
Sir.
y value and x value both. So what do you mean by inverse function? Inverse function is about f inverse of something, right? F inverse of,
Yeah.
what is f inverse of x?
Inverse of ay plus b by cy by c. Yeah. Inverse of ax plus b by cx minus a.
Yeah. So inverse of this is what? F inverse of y. I mean f inverse of the function. F inverse of the function y, which is ay plus b divided by ay. I mean cy minus a. Okay. This is my f inverse of y. What is f inverse of x? In place of y, I will be writing x. That's it.
That's it.
Ax plus b
Cx minus
minus
a.
a. Sir.
So basically,
Inverse x is equal to
this gives me what? This is
f of
equal to what? If
f of
inverse
x.
of
Sir.
x is equal to
F of x.
f of x only, right? Look at this.
Yeah.
If you observe this properly, look at this here. F of x is equal to f of x only in terms of x. Look at this here. This is what I got, isn't it? This is what I got. This This is what I got. Clear? So f inverse of x is equal to f of x I got. So find the inverse of x, which is bijective. Bijective is nothing but it should be a one function and not two function. Okay, injective and surjective both. So look at this now. Similarly, have other questions as we need to find out. Okay, let us solve one by one. Let me show it to you that. I'm solving very important questions. These are very important. F is mapping from f is mapping from close bracket 1 to infinite. Okay, which is mapping from 2 to infinite, which is defined by f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x. Then f inverse of x is equal to what? F inverse of x is equal to what? Okay, so look at this.
Sir, f of x is equals to y.
Sorry.
Y is equals to x is equals to f.
Yeah, that's it. F of x given that is equal to y. So what is y here? So f of x is equal to y is equal to x plus 1 by x. Clear? So then how do you write this? X I write in terms of y. X square plus 1 by
plus
x
1
is
by
equal
x.
to y. So
X square plus 1 equal to xy.
xy, so x square minus xy plus 1 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
If I factorize this, how do you factorize this? Minus b plus r minus square root of b square, right? For finding x value, how do I need to factorize? For finding x minus b, what is minus b here? Minus b plus or minus square root of b
Y
square.
square minus 4.
B square minus 4ac
By 2.
divided by 2a. 2 times of 1.
Yes, sir.
So plus y plus or minus square root of y
Y
square minus 4
by
divided
2.
by 2. This is my x. Okay. Okay. What he has given? He has given the condition.
F inverse x.
Look at here. If I take, guys, here you have this, right? F of x is equal to y. Then what is f of x? What is x here? F inverse of y or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here have this one. For writing x, you have to write this. Okay, x is equal to f inverse of y. X is equal to f inverse of y. So what is your f inverse of y now? See, x is equal to what? F
Plus or
inverse of y
minus
or
root
not?
of x square minus 4 by 2.
F inverse of y is equal to y plus or minus y square minus 4
Y
divided
square minus 4 by 2.
right. So basically he's asking for what? He's asking us to find what? F inverse of
Plus
x.
x.
F inverse of x is not what? Right, in terms of x. That's it. F inverse of x is
Inverse
what?
x.
X plus
X
square
plus square root of x square minus 4 by 2.
This is what the concept is all about. Right? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
Next, we'll solve the question. I'll just give the questions to you. One more question. If function is mapping from R to R, R to R is defined by f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4, then find f inverse of minus 4. F inverse of minus 4 is what?
Inverse of minus 4 is equals to x.
Very simple, very simple. We'll apply the concept. That's it. How can we solve this? How can we solve this? Tell me. Come on.
F inverse of minus 4 is equals to x.
Why? Because we have in terms of x, right? So here, f inverse of minus 4, we can take it as x. If I take x, what is f of x?
Minus 4.
Yes, f of x is equal to minus 4. Why? Because here x is equal to f inverse of minus 4, right?
Yes,
If I
sir.
write x, isn't it? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, like that. Like that you can write f of x is equal to minus 4. I wrote perfect. F of x given what? X square plus 4 is equal to
Equals to
minus
minus
4.
4.
X square is equal
Equal to minus 8.
minus 4 minus 8. Okay. So x square is
Minus
equal to
is
minus,
not possible, I think.
one second, x square is equal to minus 8, right? So is it possible, guys?
No, not possible.
It is never possible, by because square of any x, never possible. Oh, since square of any real number can't be a negative number. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes. Next. Understood? Yes or no, guys? Hello. Any
Yes,
doubts?
yes, sir.
So what is the conclusion we can write here? Therefore,
F of
minus 4
minus 4 is equals to 5.
is not possible.
5
Is not possible. Not possible. You write not possible. Not possible or null. You write null
null vector.
or you write null. Simply I could write, or you can write simply like this, or you simply write like this one. Anything is correct. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubt, guys? Hello. This is how we can write. This is how we can write. Right? Am I audible clearly? Yes. Next. F of f is mapping from R to R given, and f of x given that x square plus 1. Okay. Then prove that f is not an injection. Not an injection. Prove that there is not an injection. Tell me, how can we just do this? Tell me, guys, how can I prove this? For
F1 is not equal to 1, sir.
no, for saying injection, what is the condition? For saying a function, what is the condition for injection? For saying a function as the injection, what is the condition? Tell me. Hmm? Yes, Varun, you are saying something. Hello?
Yes, sir, like we should be equal, right, sir?
What should be equal?
Image.
Hmm? I didn't get you.
Understand, sir. What is injection?
You are saying something? The
Like
injection
f
is
of
nothing.
A1 is equals to f of A2.
Injection is nothing but what? One to one function. But one,
One, yes, sir. One
one
function.
to one function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For that, what's the condition? F of x1 should be equal to f of x2.
2, yes, sir.
This implies x1 is equal to x2.
X2.
Okay. So now any value
Equal
you
is
take,
not injection.
any value you take, any value. Let's say that let x is equal to 1. Okay. 1.
Yes, sir.
You take and x is 1 and minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Here 1 and minus 1 is not equal, right?
1.
Yes, this is why, because for both the values, sir, what you're talking? Why? Because f of 1 gives you what? F of 1 gives you what? 2. F of minus 1 also gives you what?
2.
2 only. Both are equal here. But see, our condition is this one. Both are equal means injection is told. But here x1 should be equal to x2, right? Look at here. X1 is
Sir.
what? Where? Yes. So look at this, guys. Where x1 is not equal to x2. X1, what was x1? 1.
1.
X2 is what? Minus 1. Both are not equal, right?
Not equal. Yes,
So
sir.
if they are not equal, then how come it is injection? Isn't it?
Not an equal.
So therefore, any value you take, not only one, you take 2, 3, 4, kuch bhi le lo, anything you take. Therefore, the given function f of x square plus 1 is not an injection, not an injection. Hence proved. Clear? So you don't have anything apart from this. These are the things you have to focus on. You don't have anything apart from this in your functions lesson. Now one more question he has given, and he has given that function is defining from R to R, defined by f of x is equal to e to the power of modulus x minus e to the power of minus x divided by e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x is an injection bijection. Injection or subjection. Okay, this is what the concept. Okay, children. How can I prove this? Homework. Take this question as homework. Okay. Next question. F of x is equal to cos square x. F of 2012 is equal to 1. How can I prove this?
1 minus sin square x plus 4x by
Convert entire function in terms of sine. 1 minus sine square x plus sine to the
sin
power of
4x
4x
by 1 minus cos square x
divided by 1 minus cos square x divided plus cos to the power of. We have to prove f of 2012, right? So 1 minus sine square x common. So what would be the benefit now? 1 minus sine square x. Clear? Isn't it?
by 1
No, look at this here. I'm taking 1. I'm writing as it 1 as it is minus sine square x common. So what would you get here? 1 minus sine square x only, right? I'm writing 1 as it is. From these two, I'm taking sine square x common. Clear? So divided by here also 1 as it is. I can cos square x common.
minus cos square
1 minus cos square x.
cos square.
Okay. So here 1 minus sine square x
Minus sin square x cos square x
cos square x divided by
minus cos square x
into sine square x, isn't it? Into cos square x, 1 minus cos square x sine square x, right? So look at this here, 1 minus sine square x cos square x is equal to what?
1
1. So this is what I got now. Then f of 2012 is what? F of 2012 is what? This is my f of x beta.
1 sir. Yes, sir.
This is my f of x. F of 2012 is also what?
1.
You can't substitute constant here, so it is of course 1 only. Therefore, hence proved. Clear?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So these are the questions, guys. So today I'm not able to take the full class, so I just held up with the urgent work. Have
Yeah.
to move. Okay.
Yeah.
Practice. Yeah.
Varun, do I know you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like we met in 4th class. I feel like.
Varun.
Yeah. Wait,
Class.
Varun, do you study in Rao school when you were 4th?
Yes.
One
Oh,
second.
it's you. Hey, bro. Did you
One
remember
second.
me?
Yeah.
I didn't know you.
One
But
second.
whatever.
Yeah, Varun is my childhood friend, sir.
Oh, great, great. Okay.
Yeah, we studied at our school together when we were in
Right.
fifth class to sixth. You remember Praneeth, right? Praneeth and Akhil?
Okay, okay. Ritu, 1 minute. Yeah. So, okay, guys. So I'm gonna wind up the class. So make sure that you are solving the remaining questions from your exercise and ask the doubts in the next class. Okay. So we'll
Okay.
continue this class in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye, Varun.